Mastering the phrase, handle the rush in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase, handle the rush. Understanding this phrase can really enrich your English communication skills, especially in fast-paced situations. So, let's dive in and master this phrase together. Handle the rush is a phrase that's often used in both casual and professional contexts. To handle means to manage or deal with something, and rush refers to a period of busy or intense activity. When combined, handle the rush means to manage or cope with a situation that is very busy or has a lot of things happening at once. This phrase can be applied in various scenarios. For instance, in a restaurant setting, a waiter might say, "I can handle the rush during lunch hour," indicating they are capable of managing the busy period. In an office environment, an employee might say, "I'm good at handling the rush of end-of-month deadlines." This shows their ability to manage stressful or busy times effectively. Let's look at some examples. 1. During the holiday season, retail workers often have to handle the rush of shoppers. 2. Nurses and doctors in emergency rooms are skilled at handling the rush of patients. Try to create your own sentences using handle the rush and share them in the comments. I hope this video has helped you understand and use the phrase, handle the rush, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts is key to mastering them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.